Hey everybody, Jeremy from HTL back at you again. A little extra stuff on the Lightburn 2.0 public release thing, the release candidate. Let me see, we're going to go to, let me show you this thing that I have up right now because somebody was saying that they couldn't get an image to invert and go on black anodized business card. So I did it. It's right here. It worked exactly the same as in 1.7. So in 1.6 and all that, I just put my saved magic button in with all my settings in it, turned it on, inverted it, and away we went. I just wanted to check it out because I do photos quite a bit, and I was like, ooh, I gotta make sure that works. So it does. All right, so there's that one. Next, we got node editing. Let's go into Lightburn. Okay, so in the node editing, you'll notice right here, when you click on that, there's a pop-up that comes out with a bunch of these, and it's basically all the hotkeys that we're all used to. A bunch of stuff there. Let's move on to the next one. What do we got? Dark mode. I know somebody mentioned it in the comments on my last video that we have dark mode now. So we're going to go to here. We're going to go to display. When I say here, it's the little cog wheel up here next to the wrench and screwdriver. We're going to go to display. And then we have use dark background, and then it goes there. Now, in order to keep this, you have to restart the program. So I'm not going to do that. I don't like dark background because you can't see the work you're doing. That's just personal preference. My shop is very bright, and I don't mind the bright background. So we're just going to revert back. Display. Okay. Do that one. All right. Next one, rotary macros. So I noticed in here, so macros, if you look here, already has lock rotary and unlock rotary in it. I have not tested it. I just noticed that it's in here. That's cool. You guys that use rotaries are going to like that. That's already set up. If you know, you know. All right, next one. We have camera changes. Oh, yeah, we got the camera. Okay. So up here, there is your standard capture, fade, show, all that kind of stuff. Oops, I don't need that on. Update the overlay kind of stuff is on there. This is all your adjustments, your exposure, your brightness, your contrast, white balance. There's a whole bunch of zoom. Please be careful with zoom. I zoomed mine in not knowing what it was doing, and it doesn't, now it does not unzoom, so I got to figure that out. You got a few more. You got pan, tilt, and roll, which basically when you click roll, this little slider bar right here, if you go all the way to this side, it'll just flip your orientation on your camera backwards. Which, you know, whatever. It is what it is, depending on how you've got your camera set. You can go side to side, I believe, too, with that one. So there's the camera. What else we got in here that I found? Modes. There's a new one in here called modes in the Windows drop-down menu, and that's right here. So I think right up in here, you'll notice that this goes away, and I think there was something else over here that went away as well when I did it before. Let's find out what happens. Yeah, it's just the rotary and the, it looks like it's just the rotary and, what is this? The cylinder correction, duh, I knew that. Okay, the rotary and the cylinder correction go away when you click that off. If you want it on, there it is. Next, well, oh, okay, now this one's my favorite. This is the one that I wish I've had many, 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 many times. And in the wheel and cog, here, right here, switch to select mode after drawing a shape. So we're going to click that off because this is what it was in version 1.7. So we're going to click a shape. And then, you know, if you went, oops, I accidentally clicked the button on the mouse while I was going back over here. My hands sometimes pinch down and I click my buttons, and then now there's a box. Well, Control Z to get away from that. Now I'm doing this again. Oh, there's another box because I bounced it again on my way up here. I either have to go up there and click that, or we have to hit escape in order for that to do that. Now, if we go up here and switch this on, that automatically does that in between. So now I can just go over here and not draw another square. I can go move on with my life and do what I have to do with it. So that is flipping awesome. I like that one. That's it. That's all the new stuff, the updates. So, there you go. Enjoy. Another quick short one. All right, so there you go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more things that I found, and then many within a couple of those things in Lightburn 2.0. So, yeah, go play with it. Have fun. See you on the next one.